Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove labels from packaging. So if you are an eBay or an Amazon seller, this should come in handy for you. These labels themselves are impossible to take out, so I'm going to show you step by step 2 different ways how to do it. So the best way is this pen. I would recommend you get one of these pens. It's dead cheap on eBay. I think I got mine for about £2, and it does say on here that you can't use this on polystyrene, so that's something you should keep in mind. And the directions for use are: push tip down to release liquid, fully soak sticker or label to be removed, leave for a few minutes to allow liquid to soak into the sticker or label that you want to be removed. Use a flat plastic scraper or cloth to remove the residue. Repeat if required. So these labels are impossible to remove. Literally, they leave a really horrible residue, and they're so hard to peel off as well. Do you see that? So what we're going to do is get our pen, give it a good shake, and then we need to push the tip down and coat the sticker. Coat it quite well. Okay, and we're just going to leave that to soak for about 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. As you can see, it's doing it so much easier now. Okay, it's left some residue, so what we're going to do is we're going to get some more, apply some more of the pen just over the residue. Just grab a cloth and wipe the residue off. And there you go. Here's another label that is going to be a real pain to remove, so we're going to do our best and try and remove it as best as possible. Oh yeah, so basically this second way is actually by using some olive oil. If you just grab a cloth, so I've got this olive oil which is really nice in salads, and it seems to be very good at removing labels as well, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. Just grab a cloth of the olive oil. Okay, so we're going to get our soaked cloth and just wipe it over the label. Probably might need a little bit more. Probably just going to put a drop or two on there. Completely soak the label. Just let that soak for about 2 minutes as well. So it's been about 2 minutes and we're going to go ahead and remove this label now. This is a little bit more difficult than the pen, but it does work if you don't have the pen. It will make things easier and it will give you a smoother finish as well. So you will eventually get there. And there we have it. There's no residue left whatsoever compared to what would be left if we didn't use the olive oil. So I don't know if you can see, it's nice and clean. Just another quick tip for you. So if you just have the sticky stuff left on the actual packaging, what I'd recommend is you just soak the cloth in some olive oil and just wipe down over the sticky bit in circular motions, and that will literally just remove the sticky bits.